Hello, everybody. Welcome to my latest listing here at 7728 State Highway 199 in Ardmore / Dickson, Oklahoma. More on an explanation on that in just a minute. But look at this home. I'm so excited to be bringing it to you. My name is Stacy Hesser, and you can reach me at 580-224-1077. What's up, everybody? That's me. So I am flying the drone around so we can get a little bit of an aerial shot here, but good day, everybody. Welcome to my listing here in Dickson, Oklahoma, a quaint little town located just 10 minutes northeast of Ardmore on State Highway 199. Dickson has a population that is just over 1,200 people and is a great alternative for those looking to make some country living while still having a short commute to Ardmore. It's ideally placed for those that may be commuting to the Ardmore Air Park, home to the Dollar General Distribution Center, as well as King Aviation and many more companies out there. The Ardmore Air Park is an area of continued growth for our future here in southern Oklahoma. It's really exciting what's going on out there, and it's ideally located in between, right smack in the middle, between OKC and DFW. Dickson is also just 5 minutes away from Southern Tech, one of the largest employers here in the Ardmore area, offering vocational training and certification for various trades. Speaking of schooling, even though Dickson is a smaller community, they actually boast their own school district, the Dickson Comets, currently rated with a B- with niche.com. Dickson also has their own police department and fire department, both of which are just a couple of minutes away from my listing here. Strangely, though, they don't have a post office, which is why they have some little identification issues between Dickson and Ardmore. But anyway, enough about Dickson. Let's go sneak a peek inside this beautifully redone home. This place is amazing. It was built in 1978 and sits on 1.82 acres. Just wait until you see the backyard. It goes on and on with great space for play, fun, and late night chats around that bonfire. Enjoy open concept living at its finest with one of the biggest kitchen islands I have ever seen. I mean, my gal, this sucker measures 4 feet by 8 feet, and I imagine you could probably sit 6 people around this thing pretty comfortably. As you can see, we have granite countertops with tile backsplash, all setting off this black farmer sink that sits at the window there. I just love this. Even I wouldn't mind hanging out at the kitchen sink watching the fireflies dance in the backyard as I wash things up after dinner. One of the many features that I just love about this house is the massive pantry and sunroom addition back here. Storage is not going to be a problem in this house. As you can see, there's plenty of cabinetry, but look at this. This thing's big enough you can just walk inside. I mean, so much shelving space, it's unbelievable. And there's that view of the backyard. This is a little nook that I thought was pretty cool, that you could put a desk in there, maybe for some bills and whatnot. But this is the little dedicated laundry area, and inside here you actually have not one but 2 hot water heaters plus a sink. I always love a sink in my laundry room. It just makes things so much easier in there. This house boasts over 2,400 square feet of living space and was a complete remodel. From the roof on down to the switches, not much is left of the original house. Even the floor plan has been updated to include one of the largest owner suites with an attached bath and walk-in closet. More on that in a bit, though. Let's go check out those 3 bedrooms and the hall bath first. So only 2 of the 3 bedrooms will need to share this hall bath. Each can even have its own sink, as we have dual vanities in here too. And the countertops are just gorgeous. I love the consistency of everything in here. And check this out. I love this little feature here. Boom. Soft close drawers. I love those. I just love those. Nothing says style like that. So this is bedroom 1. Both of the bedrooms are pretty typical, just average size with both about have the same size closets, but this is bedroom 1. They all have their own ceiling fans in here too. Additional storage at the end of the hall here for your linens. This is bedroom number 2. This is in the corner of the house here, so you've got 2 windows. And something else I liked was the windows were higher, so you don't have to worry about blocking it off with the bed. They're high enough up that you won't have to worry about that. Of course, all new doors have been hung in this entire home. As you can see, the closets are all redone. And here we're moving into bedroom number 3, which has a slightly larger closet. But the real treat in this one is that this bedroom has its own ensuite also. So if you have somebody that's living with you that needs their own bathroom, this home would be a great alternative. Look at that thing. Its own shower. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I love the consistency of everything that's in here. It's so well done. I just loved it. Again, more cabinet space underneath the sink there and all new fixtures. All right, are you guys, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh yeah, actually, here's the air handler. I just wanted to show you what's in here. And then up above here is also going to be your attic access. Right over there. There it is. I'm so excited. Let's go take a look at this owner's suite. This thing is just massive. The entire room here measures 14 feet by 19 feet. And again, this entire area of the home was completely redone, adding another full bath and then totally improving upon the closet that was here. The bathroom is just such a treat. Wait until you see this. There's the stand-up shower, but this soaker tub is massive inside. I had to try it out. So I wanted to see how big it was, but you can actually be in this thing. Your feet will not peek out the end of that tub. It's amazing. And just continued on with that tile work. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the toilet has its own little closet because we like to have our throne rooms here in Oklahoma. And in this door, I really love this feature too. So I like the fact that my closet's attached to the bathroom, but not exposed to the bathroom. So you can either access this closet from the bedroom itself or from the bath. So your clothes aren't getting all steamy hot when you're taking, I don't know about you, but I take a really hot shower. My husband makes fun of me for that. Thinks I'm bathing in lava or something. I don't know. But that's, it's truly just amazing. Like I said, what he's done in here to redo this entire space was just, I love it. But let's go talk about the other feature of this home, the backyard. So this really appealed to my Alaskan spirit, just having so much space in the back to explore and enjoy. Look at these old growth trees. They are so tall and beautiful. I mean, it was just, I just imagined myself being a kid again and exploring back here. It really is a cool space. And there's a little treat in the back. I see a little slide back there. The previous owners actually put in a massive little play set, and they're built with poles that are just like inset into the ground. So this thing was not going anywhere. It's been cleaned up a bit, so it's ready for the kids to just get back there and play. But look at that. Can you imagine getting back there and playing hide and go seek or something? So like I said, it really appealed to me with my Alaskan spirit, just being able to get back out into the woods. It's a great way to feel like you're getting back to nature with a close proximity, though, to the schools, shopping, and work. Call me today to book your private showing of this amazing home. I'm just so excited to show it off to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope to see you guys soon. Have a good one. Bye.